Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport P300e Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front, where we find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading on the sides, you're going to find further stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear, you're going to notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. You'll find easy to access controls to recline those rear seats. Glimpsing into the rear, you're going to find your ebony Windsor leather seats. Ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last, we glimpse into the cockpit to see your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory. Advancing over your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, your 11.4-inch PV Pro touchscreen, and finalising our journey at your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching.